In the previous video, we have used the backup and restore operation of Azure API Management services using the Postman APIs, right? In this video, we will use the logic apps to such that the auth backups of Azure API Management service will be taken at a regular interval. Right now, we will see how we need to create a logic apps for that. Basically, we just need to create one logic apps that runs at a regular interval. So for that, we just need to create a recurrence type of logic apps that will run every day, right, at 0 a.m. I means that at the midnight, right? Then we have need to define various variables that we need to use in these logic apps. The first one is the tenant ID, right? Then client ID, client secret, auth body. That auth body is we require to get the token values. So for the getting the token values, we need to send a HTTP request for this URL, and the content type is URL encoded. Then we just need to pass the body into it. Once we get the token, that the token we need to pass in the backup request. We also need to use another variables like subscription ID, resource group, API instance, access key of a storage account, backup name, container name, and storage account. So we have initialized all those variables, and finally we have added one try and catch uh, for for the backup request, right? The backup request will be simply just HTTP type of request. In this HTTP request, it is just like our postman collections, right? We just need to send a specific URL, specific body to the predefined URL, right? And we in the authorization we need to pass the token, so we have also passed those tokens here. The content type of this will be of application JSON, right? So this is how we have created the logic apps. I will add the code view of this logic apps along in the comments of this video, so that you will have an idea how the logic apps will be created for this one. Now let's see how the backup will be taken. For that, I have already triggered one instance of it, and that instance we can see in our run history, and you can see that there is a one success rate, right? And in this succeeded, you can see this all those variables are initialized properly, and in the backup request we will get this type of the response, that it means that the backup is taken successfully. Okay, okay, thanks for watching this video. Okay, I will add further video for how to do the backup and restore using logic apps as well. Thanks.